Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper trending on X, published on October 27, 2025, about 6 days ago. The main punchline is a two-turn reward model that cuts judgment diffusion and posts state-of-the-art scores, hitting 92 on reward bench, 86 on RM bench, and 75 on RMB, for the best average of 84. The paper is titled, Think Twice, Branch-and-Rethink Reasoning Reward Model, and as we will see, the branch-then-rethink strategy focuses attention on what actually matters, with clear gains for training reliable preference models. Alright, Figure 1 contrasts how token budget gets spent across evaluation dimensions. The full figure shows two side-by-side plots that compare our method with a baseline. The left panel for chat concentrates tokens on information accuracy and logical reasoning, which signals a deliberate second pass on the riskiest areas. The right panel for code shifts attention toward implementation capability and computational precision, while the baseline spreads tokens thinly across many criteria. So Figure 2 lays out the workflow and contrasts a generative reward model, a reasoning reward model, and the branch-then-rethink design. The top panels sketch the baselines, which assign rewards directly from a single pass or from a short reasoning chain. The large bottom pipeline shows two turns. Turn 1 selects a few critical dimensions, like logical reasoning and computation precision, and sketches concrete issues. Turn 2 rethinks only along those branches, applies task priorities, and outputs the final choice for reinforcement learning. So, Figure 2 outlined the workflow, and Table 1 reports the head-to-head results. Table 1 shows that BRRM-QN14B scores 92 on reward bench, 86 on RM bench, which is the best, and 75 on RMB for an average of 84. BRRM-QN8B averages about 83 and surpasses larger baselines like GPT-4o. Scalar models peak on reward bench at about 95, yet drop to roughly 71 on RM bench and RMB. Alright, Table 1 covered the head-to-head scores. Table 2 presents the ablation study, which tests what happens when the two-turn design is weakened. The full QN14B averages 84, while branching only falls to about 82, unconditioned rethink to about 83, and the single-turn model to about 83. For the 8B model, the average drops from 83 to roughly 80 to 81, showing that the second turn and its conditioning both carry real gains. Well, Table 2 covered structural ablations. Table 3 analyzes reward design choices. The table shows that a direct binary reward with strict format checks yields the best averages, about 83 for the 8B model and 84 for the 14B model, because the signal is simple and aligned to the final task. Removing format checks drops the averages slightly, scoring on a scale falls further, and adding extra branch rewards hurts the most. Wrapping up, two takeaways stand out. The two-turn branch-then-rethink design concentrates attention on instance-critical dimensions, which curbs judgment diffusion and catches subtle errors, and a simple binary outcome reward with strict format checks proves both stable and effective. Broader implication: more trustworthy, scalable reward models for reinforcement learning from human feedback. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.